Laura, it can't be. You didn't even touch the balloon and it popped.
Oh, well, hello comic and hi friends. Yes, I can pop a balloon without any touch. You will be able to do it if you watch the video till the end. So, to make this amazing trick, we need to inflate a regular balloon. I'll pick up a yellow one. So, inflate it and then we're gonna install it to keep it safe. I use a glass and I'll just set the balloon in here. Almost there. Good to go. So, we set the balloon. Stay. And then, let's remove a peel from any orange or lemon and everything citrusy and squeeze it over the balloon. Ow. Well, and it burst. And this is the secret. To make the balloon burst, you need to use the orange peel, not only its juice.
But why did the balloon pop?
Well, I'm gonna explain it to you. So, all balls are made, or balloons are made of rubber. When we inflate the balloon, the rubber becomes thinner and the limonene oil dissolves the rubber. So, the balloon bursts so easily and simply.
This is so cool. Now I know the secret.
Well, even more cool experiments that you can repeat at home with your friends can be found on our channel. Subscribe, share videos with friends, join the Jolly Battle community on social networks. Let's be friends. Links in the video of the description below. Write in the comments if this experiment worked. I look forward to your feedback. Until next time. And I'm gonna do one more. Can't inflate that.